we went in there. It seems like they haven't cleaned their wet lint trap in probably 2 or 3 years. It reeks. It's disgusting in there. Arthur, it's Danny, the laundry guy. How goes it today?
Okay.
Yeah, we talked. I own a bunch of coin laundromats in the tri-state area. We talked about your location in Levittown that you actually had leased out again. And we just ran across another location in Mineola, and it's my understanding this is your building as well.
Yes.
So, Arthur, just a refresher, we are interested and intrigued in long-term leases where laundromat infrastructure exists. We want to sign that lease with you, retool the store, put new equipment in, make it far, far better.
I have a tenant now.
Yes, you do. So if and when that changes, if and when that changes, when the tenant gives up, I mean, 60% of this equipment is broken. When we went in there, it seems like they haven't cleaned their wet lint trap in probably 2 or 3 years. It's just, it reeks. It's disgusting in there. I don't know if you know that, if you tour your facilities.
Where's the lint trap, by the way? I thought it was in the behind the building.
Yeah, there should be a manhole-sized cover. Sometimes it's in the back room. Sometimes it's in the back, in the alley.
Backyard.
Yeah, but that's not your responsibility as the landlord. That's the tenant who should be cleaning that out.
Yes.
I set mine for every 3 months.
Yeah, how do you know it's all filled up?
Because of the smell.
I mean, oh, you could tell from the back? Okay.
No, not the back. So did you have more than one laundromat location in your portfolio? Did you build these stores?
No, this particular building, I built the building about 40, 50 years ago.
Okay. You didn't build the laundromat.
I mean, you know, the laundromat is a tenant. One of the tenants built it.
Okay, understood. So obviously the Romans figured out that water flows downhill. And in this case, the last thing that happens before we hit the city side is the wet lint trap. And
that's it, which is back.
If behind
the building.
I don't know where it is.
This is so dumb. I'm not going to do this.
But as a consumer or someone scouting the location like we did, we walk in, it reeks in there. It hits you like a wall because every 3 months you have to have the sump guy come out. You know, the poopy truck comes out and it slurps all that shit out of there. And I don't think they're doing it. Oh, okay.
I'll remind them to do it.
Great.
Right now they have a lease. I can't do anything about that.
Okay, I understand. Save my number, Arthur. When that changes, if and when it does, give us a holler and we'll try to beat you up on the rent and we'll retool it. We'll put new equipment in.
Okay.
My name's Danny D'Angelo.
I'm not going to remember all that. And if I write it down, I won't. At least in a couple of years, at least more. You know, so I'll never remember it.
Well, let's just. I'll call you. I'll call you if I see any changes in the store. Do you have any other locations where there happens to be a coin laundromat that we're leaving out?
Those are the only two. Oh yeah, I have another one that's putting in a laundromat, but it's a new laundromat they're putting in.
Wow. You won't see me doing that. No, thank you. I don't want to pay the EPA fees.
Yeah. At any rate, that's what's happening there. That's all. I don't have any other laundromats. And
you operate all of your leases. You do it all yourself. You negotiate your leases. You sign your own leases.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
But you don't use email.
What? You have my? Oh, you want my email?
Sure. Let's do it. All right. We'll send you an email.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Oy vey. Why couldn't this guy be my grandpa? I don't know what to tell you, man. The guy's lovely. He has an email, but I don't know. I write you, that's a lot of information, your whole name. If I write that down, I'm gonna lose it. It sounds to me like they have a few years left. The guy's got property. Keep an eye on it. You know the deal. If you see something happen here, if this place goes belly up or more equipment goes out of order or there's a small fire, call the friggin' guy up. I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.